I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're outside working out, breaking a sweat, you really need a halo or two to help you with that. And my husband really liked using this Halo headband skull cap. It was just so easy to use. We got a pack of 2, and the top part of it is made out of this breathable mesh, which made it so comfortable. It's got a thick band, so it fits so snug around your head, so it's easy to put on a bike helmet, so he can go on long rides and not have to worry about sweat getting into his eyes. The reason why the sweat does not get into his eyes, this thick comfortable band has this yellow silicone piece that's called a wet seal, and that's what stops the sweat from coming down. It's about 22 inches in diameter, but because it stretches, that's what allows this to work for any size head, really, and make it feel so comfortable. We also went on a huge hike in the Grand Canyon, and so this was a nice thing to have. Again, he could easily put his hat over it, and his head was able to breathe, feel comfortable, and stop that sweat from going to his eyes because his hands were not always free on this hike. It was so comfortable, often he forgot he was even wearing it. So whether you're cycling, running, hiking, this is just a great thing to have in your pocket to help stop that sweat and allow you to enjoy your activity. And that's my point of view.